Hello students, welcome to my channel Computer Information Satyajit. Today we discuss how to use Rowspan in HTML program. What is the meaning of Rowspan? Now we go to practical. First we write the structure of program in Notepad. Structure of program means HTML, then title, title close, then body start and body close, then HTML close. This is the structure of program. Every program should write in this syntax. Then we start our table. Table start, then table border equal 1, then table close. Then next, in the middle of the table means after table border we write tr. Tr means table row. Td means table data. Here we copy then paste means first, second, third and fourth. Then tr close. Then save our file. Lesson 9.html. Click on all file option and save. This is the e file. Now it open and refresh. This is the fourth table means first td, second td, third td and fourth td. Here we use the center tag because we take to center position. This is the fourth table. So for cell, the first, second, third and fourth. Okay. Now we just write first td Rowspan equal three. This is the 3 row. We can span it. This is the first row. This is the second row and third row. First, second, third. First line, second line and third line means 3 row we can span. Okay, and save. Refresh. This is the third row we can span, third cell. Now we just put some data means suppose we give a number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20 21. Okay, now we save and refresh. Okay, now we clear the row span. This is the first row, second and third row we can span. How can it span? Now we put other data Then here suppose we write the student name, roll number and total mark. File, save and refresh. Okay, the cell automatically increase. This is the Rowspan. Okay.